Here I'll open up the material browser for the concrete and search for C25. I'll add this one and check the use render appearance and then the hatching as well. After that, open it up for metal again, and then let me just look through these so I can find a usable material. For example, this one, add it up, check the use render appearance box again, and under the appearance tab, I'll replace this and then open up the appearance section. Then under the metal group, let's see what we have. Here, open up the steel and I'll add this one and then apply. Okay, then apply and then okay again. So here we have the rebar and the concrete as well. Alright, so now let's go back to the family types. And then here I'll open up the parameter properties. Let's see, put this under the shared parameter, open this up, then here click on edit, select this one, and then I'll create a new one which I'll name total L rebar. This one's under common and okay. Alright, then another one and name this one total S rebar length. And there it is. And then okay. After that, let me just go here and delete this one. And then from the properties, type in total L rebar length again. Okay. And there we go. And then here I'll select the T-beams group, select the total one, and then here put this under the instance, and then okay. Then I'll open this one and put it under the construction group. Again, a new parameter, put this under shared as well, and then this time select the total S rebar. Alright, put this under construction as well and okay. So let me see what we have for the length here in our plan. If we take a look at here, this is what it is. So back to the family types now, and then here let's find the length. Let's see where it is. It's right here. If you multiply this by 2, you'll get the length of all of the piece. So then I'll go to the total L rebar length and then put the formula under the formula section here. Length multiplied by 2. And then the only one remaining is S. So for this one, we need the number S rebar plus the S rebar length. So I'll copy this one and then go to the total S rebar length and under the formula section, paste it and multiply it by number S rebar. Alright, let's see what this says. It says some of the parameters are under the instant type and the other ones under the type. So if we actually close this one and take a look at the space S rebar here, we can select this one and put it under the instance type and do the same for the other ones as well. So I'll go here and select this one, put it under instance, and then open up this one. So this formula pops up again and it doesn't allow us to continue. Let me see where else I've used this. So I think I used it here in this one, total L rebar. So I'll just hit Ctrl X here and then I'll select this one and put it under instance. Let's see what the problem is this time. Alright, let me just open up a notepad here so I won't have to type these over and over again here. There it is. And then here, Ctrl X and then Ctrl V here. Alright, so now let's put this under instance. and then this one as well. Then here, Control V, and then for this one, Control C, and then Control V. Apply and OK. And we can use that one in the weights as well. The one that we mentioned, the joist part too. But now if you actually want to calculate the weights, we'll go here and create an R. Let's see where it should be. Here under the L rebar diameter, I'll copy this one and open up the parameter properties, paste it, and then replace this part with radius, so we have L rebar radius. Then this one should be the length type again and put it under construction again. Okay. And then in the formula section, put this and divide it by 2. And then after that, we also have the S rebar diameter. Open this up, then put this under the construction group, and then OK. After that, create a new parameter again. Here, replace this part with the radius. Alright, let me see what the issue is. Alright, type this again, and then put it under the instance type. Or you know what, just keep it under type. Then here, put this under the construction group. Okay. And then here, divide this one by 2. There it is. And now we want to calculate the weight of these. And in order to do so, we'll go here and open up the parameter properties and name this one WL rebar. Then here, put this under structural, and then the mass and the other group. Or let me just change it to constraints. Then put this under instance and OK. Alright, then open up the properties again, and then this time put in WS rebar. Let me just put this under the shared parameter. So here, edit this one, put this under T-beams, new, paste here, and then structural, mass, and OK. OK here again, and there it is. So put this under constraints and instance as well. Then Control C up here, and then delete from down here. Then a new parameter, which we'll put under share this time as well. Here, create a new one, WL rebar, then structural and mass, and OK. Then select it from here, and then constraints and instance here. Alright, so now we want to use the formula here. So I'll go here and start from this one, the L rebar radius. Here in the formula section, I'll open up the parentheses and then paste the L rebar radius and multiply it by here. This one, total L rebar length, because we have 2 of these. There it is. Let me just type it out. And after this, let's see what else we have. What can we do to finish the formula? Here, multiply this by 3.14. And then after that, multiply it again, this time by 7,850. And then I'll close the parentheses. So now we have the value that we wanted. Let me just divide this by 1,000 because we're working with millimeters. Let me just see. This doesn't add up, so change this to 100. Divided by 100. There it is. And then for this one, the WS rebar, Control C the formula, then paste it here. Then I'll copy the name S rebar radius from down here, and here put it instead of the L rebar radius that we had. And then let's see next. replace the total L rebar length with total S rebar length. And there it is. So this is one way of doing it, and I'll mention the other technique in the next parts.